Let's go. I'm drilling holes in my dirt bike till it snaps. 50 holes? No problem. 200 holes. Oh, 800 holes. We made it. 1,200 holes. 1,600 holes. At this point, I can hardly believe it. 3,000 holes. Oh my god. 3,400 holes. Oh, did you hear that? Snap, there it goes.
A little adjustment.
It snapped. Oh no.